Hello and welcome. You know the feeling. The New Year's rolls around and we're bombarded with messages about making resolutions, setting goals, and becoming the new you. But let's be honest, how many of those New Year's resolutions actually stick beyond a few weeks? For college students, I would argue there is a much more effective time to set new goals and make important changes, and that is at the start of each new semester. And that's not all. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a strategy to make your resolutions into reality. Hi, I'm John, a former first-generation student who has spent over 30 years working as a university biology professor and academic advisor. In this video, you will see how creating a New Year's resolution, well actually, a new semester's resolution, can lead you through a successful semester. And that's not all. We will go over, step by step, how you can stick to this new semester resolution. So what should a great new semester's resolution look like? I'm going to walk you through the 4 parts of the GPA strategy, which is a system that will help you achieve your dreams of academic success and prepare you with the skills to be successful now and in the future. Stick around to the end, where I give you a bonus tip that helps ensure that you will achieve your goals for this semester. The GPA strategy is an action plan that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. Extending beyond GPA as a grade point average, the letters in the GPA strategy stand for goals, plans, and actions. Step 1. Identifying your dreams. The G in the GPA system stands for goals. But whose goals are you trying to achieve? One of the biggest problems that people have in achieving their goals is that the goals that they are striving for are set for them by somebody else or are not in alignment with what they really want. In order for you to set effective goals, you need to understand what it is that you want, not what other people's want, but what you want to achieve in your future. You have to start with your dreams. Dreams are those big, bold ideas that inspire and excite you. These dreams may include being the first in your family to graduate from college, becoming a renowned scientist, or having a job that allows you to travel the world. Take some time at the start of each semester to visualize your ideal future. This is going to be the fuel that powers your journey forward. This step is essential because your dreams provide the why and the motivation for achieving the future you want. They serve as your inspiration for moving forward in your life and give you something to strive for. Your dreams provide the internal motivation to succeed despite any obstacles. It may be helpful to have visual reminders such as a vision board or build a dream team of people who understand and support your goals. Use the beginning of a new semester to reconnect with your dreams and renew your sense of purpose. Step 2. Creating goals. Once you have a firm grasp of the future you want, you need to create goals. And not just any goals. Your goals need to be SMART. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In order to make sure that you're working through goals that are appropriate and aligned with your dreams, they must be specific, giving you a clear idea of what you are trying to achieve as you prepare for your future. Let's use an example from my book, The GPA Strategy. Saying at the beginning of the semester that I want to do well in my class is not a SMART goal. However, saying I want to get an A in this class is specific and measurable because an A is clear and shows up on your transcript. This also allows you to track whether or not you're making progress to achieving that A by looking at your grades throughout the course. These goals also need to be achievable based on your current skills and experience. So again, building on what you've learned previously in other courses or other experiences, and they must be time-bound so that you have a target date or deadline, in this case, the end of the semester. Once you've defined your SMART goal for that class for that semester, you're then able to break that big dream down into smaller, manageable steps. Think about a treasure map. A treasure map is going to take you from where you are to where you want to be, kind of finding that box of gold. Doing the same thing with your SMART goals will allow you to break your larger long-term goals, your semester goal, into smaller short-term goals. These goals could then bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be at the end of the semester. Prioritize these goals, with the most important ones becoming your primary goals, and focus your time, energy, and resources to achieving them. Step 3. Creating your plan. The P in the GPA strategy represents plans. Once you've identified and prioritized your goals, you need to create a concrete plan to make them into reality. You need to adopt a problem-solution system. This involves proactively thinking about the potential challenges that you will encounter during the semester and thinking about solutions in advance. How many people set a New Year's resolution of improving their fitness? But how many of them are still trying to achieve that goal 3 or 4 weeks later? They have come up against the obstacles of being tired, or maybe it's cold outside. You need to think ahead of time. Maybe if you're too tired to go to the gym after work or after school, you're going to go to the gym in the morning by getting up a little bit earlier. Maybe if it's too cold outside to go to the gym, you're going to walk up and down stairs to increase your cardiac fitness, or get a couple empty milk jugs and fill them with water and do simple dumbbell exercises using those as weights in your location, your home, your residence hall room, rather than having to go to the gym on those days when it's really cold out. Creating a step-by-step plan will help address feelings of anxious avoidance that occur when you feel like you have too much to do or have no idea where to begin. Think of each of your goals as being presented as a problem to solve. Break down your goals into milestones, mapping out the steps needed to achieve each and every one. Consider what tools, resources, and team members you will need. Establish timelines and metrics to track your progress. By creating a clear workflow, it is easy to achieve your goals. Instead of just thinking about studying more, create a weekly plan with specific study times blocked out on your calendar. Identify potential problems like time management issues, difficulty grasping concepts, or procrastination, and develop solutions ahead of time. Having a plan helps you avoid feelings of being overwhelmed and provides a clear roadmap for success. Using a project management system such as an app on your phone or a simple to-do list can help you track your progress and make sure you're on the way to achieving your goals. If you feel this video is valuable, please like and subscribe to help others find it. In the pinned comment below is a link to my email list and a free guide to creating a plan to study for any exam. Also, if you're interested in leaving a comment, please give me suggestions on questions you have or other videos you would like to see made. Step 4. Committing to action. The final letter in the GPA strategy is A for action. Everybody has dreams, but how many people act upon them? Oftentimes people will set goals, but again, don't do what's necessary to achieve them. Some people can create plans. The ideal plan that is written out, great colors, or using a planned management system, but they don't take the action necessary to fulfill them. The people that achieve, the people that make their dreams into reality, are those people that take consistent action needed to make progress towards achieving their dreams. To ensure that you are able to move forward, you must commit to focus. And I'm going to use another abbreviation here. Focus means to follow through on commitments until successful. Many commitment efforts fail due to a lack of compelling reasons to work toward the goal, not defining clear deadlines, not proactively removing roadblocks, or not having an accountability system. If you're ready to focus on achieving your goals, develop effective time management skills. Prioritize your energy and resources to making progress towards your goals. Schedule time for your primary goals, such as attending class, studying, and completing assignments. Develop effective study habits, such as actively participating in class, taking meaningful notes, and practicing deliberate study. By aligning your daily habits with your goals and creating consistent habits, you will create powerful momentum moving you forward towards achieving your dreams. Remember, you're not in this alone. Seek support from the campus community and resources available to you. Make connections with your professors, your academic advisors, and your classmates. It is also important to prioritize your physical and mental health. The GPA strategy is a great system for getting started at achieving your goals for the semester. You need to identify your dreams, create tangible and smart goals, come up with a plan to overcome the obstacles in your way, and then take the actions to follow through on those plans to make progress in achieving your goals. But as a bonus tip, I want you to think, are you truly committed to this process? Are you willing to do whatever it takes to reach your goals without making excuses or compromising on the plan? If so, what I want you to do is create a powerful commitment statement, including what you are committing to, the deadline, your why, achieving your dream, and accountability system. Take that commitment statement and put it someplace where you are going to see it on a regular basis. Put it next to your bed so that you see it first thing in the morning. What I did for 2024 was make it into a vision board. I made a picture of what my goals were for the semester, and I put it on the back of my bookshelf so that I would see it each and every day. In this way, you are going to remember what it is you are trying to achieve. Without this commitment to focus on achieving your goals, follow through on your commitment until successful, you need to remember this. You need to remind yourself each and every step along the way. You don't necessarily have to do this on a daily basis, but at least weekly, think about what your goals are. Think about the plan that you have in place and ask yourself, is this plan helping you move forward towards achieving those goals? So as you start this new semester, remember, it is a perfect time for a fresh start. This isn't just another semester. It's an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to move closer to fulfilling your dreams. Ditch those generic New Year's resolutions and instead focus on creating specific semester-based goals, solid plans, and an unwavering commitment to action by following the GPA strategy. When you make this a practice each semester, you are building the skills for a successful future and moving closer to your dreams. Make this semester the best one yet.